All right, so to go ahead and set up an account for the Freebie Vault, you're going to need to enter your first name and your email. Even if you're already on our email list, you'll need to do this just because it's going to need to send you an email to set up your personal password of choice. And this is a one-time thing. Once you do this, then you'll be able to just log into your account whenever you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter one of my emails and my name here to walk you through the process. And then anytime that you're in one of our blog posts in the future and you see this form, you'll be able to just simply log into your account and click right there. It'll take you right to the vault and you can enter your credentials and just head right to the vault in any post that you might be looking at that includes a freebie that you want to go find. So I've entered my name and my email. I'm going to click on Access New Freebie Vault. It's going to take a second to load, and then you'll see a thank you page here. It's going to tell you to go to your inbox and to check your email because there's an email waiting for you to be able to set up a password of your choice so you can enter the vault. So I'm going to go over to my email test account, and I'm going to wait for that to load. And then we see here at the top, my email, set your password for the Freebie Vault. It's coming from me, Abby Kirsten Collections, and it's going to tell you to click this link right here. Click here to access the vault. So I'm clicking on that button. You'll be presented with a screen that looks like this, and you'll just need to put in a password of your choice. The only requirement is that you have to have 6 characters, so just make sure it's 6 characters long. Once you've entered your password of choice, click Access Templates. You may want to write your password down, or if you have, an automated saving system on your computer, you might want to do that. And you'll be presented with the Freebie Vault. So this is obviously a huge improvement over our old vault. If you're familiar with it, you likely are if you're watching this because I have sent this out to my beta users. So this is a huge improvement. Before it was just a page full of hyperlinks organized by section, and now we have the capability to actually see all of our crafts and to click on each one to be able to favorite them, to be able to search by name up here in the search bar, or just browse through categories up here. So lots of options. I just want to take you through how this works for a second. It's pretty user-friendly and self-explanatory once you start poking around in here, but I want to make sure that there is no confusion. So on the first page here, you'll see our most recent projects that we have released. So anytime I release something brand new, it's super easy to find right at the top of the vault there. Below, you'll find the most popular projects, meaning these are the most downloaded projects inside of the vault. So what's sort of trending with our users at the time. Here is our menu section where you'll be able to click on different primary categories within the vault. So for example, if we click on paper flowers, then you'll be presented with anything that has a sort of flower or paper flower association with it, or a paper craft association. So I've put, a bunch of things in that category there. And you can browse through all these other categories as well and check out what's in there. If you want to search for something by name or by keyword, you can absolutely do that as well. So for example, let's say I want to search for Christmas card. We could type in that, and you'll be presented with the 2 options here that are currently loaded in the Freebie Vault that have some Christmas cards. So I'm going to click on one of these just to show you what it looks like when we go to click on one. So you'll be presented with another page here where you will see the image in a larger form so you can get sort of a close-up. You'll also see a favorite button right here, which you can access from the search page as well. So if you don't want to actually click on each one, you see this little heart right here. You can favorite this from the search area. And then when you click on it, you can also favorite it there. Right underneath the title here, we have the approximation, the approximate amount of time that it might take you to make this craft. That's going to vary, but I just like to put it in approximation. And then here's where you can download all your files. So the really cool part about this is it's all housed here on this new site. Before we were sending people to Google Drive just because that was our best place to store files, but now it's all right here for you to access. So if you're using printable PDFs, and that's an available option with the particular craft that I'm offering, then you can click printable PDFs and you'll see each file individually available for you to download. PDFs or PNGs will be included in that. Those are both printable options, so that's under printable PDFs. If you're using a cutting machine, you can toggle over to the cutting machine option, and you'll see each SVG available for download right there as well to click on individually. Now let's say you want to go ahead and just download the PDFs and the SVGs. You just want to download everything at once. You don't want to click each individual file. Then just click on download all files, and that will download as a compressed zip, and you can save it to your computer and it will download. Now, if you're on a mobile device and our Freebie Vault is completely mobile friendly, you're going to want to stick with downloading in the individual files just because you won't have to worry about unzipping anything on a mobile device, which can get tricky for some people. So if you're on a mobile device, just toggle between these two and download whichever format you would like and save it to your files or your location on your mobile device. So that's how easy it is to download things and find things in our new Freebie Vault. In each of these crafts, if you scroll down, you will also see a hyperlink. There is a video tutorial for many of our crafts, and then there's also the blog post that goes with the video tutorial that often supplies all of the links for supplies for this craft. So if I want to know how to make this, I can click right over to the video tutorial on YouTube channel, or I could click right over to the blog post here, and I could scroll down and I could see, oh look, there are all of my supplies that I need to make this. And then if you scroll through this as well, there's usually the videos also linked right in the post there for you. So super easy, and it opens in a new tab every time, so you can toggle back and forth between that and the vault as needed. Now, if you want to access your favorites, you can just come up here at the top and click on My Favorites. And when you're in your account, anything here that you have recently favorited will be here for you to quickly access. We have about 100 projects in the vault right now. I have another 50 to add still as we go through the rest of this beta testing. And then the vault is continuing to grow for about, 4 to 5 freebies a month. So it's going to grow rather quickly. And there's lots of things to find in here. Over here we have frequently asked questions. So if you need help with anything in particular, like how to upload an SVG file to Design Space, what type of file you should use, other general questions, you can check these out here by clicking the little arrow and it will answer the question for you. If you have a question that is not listed here, feel free to send me an email because I am looking for most frequently asked questions to continue to add to this section here so that it's an easy resource for people to look at. Back up here at the top, you'll also notice it says Upgrade Membership, and if you hover over your profile, you'll also see it says Manage Subscription. Those are things you don't need to worry about at this point in time. Eventually, I am going to be creating a membership spinoff from this. The freebies will not be going anywhere, so don't worry, no one's taking the freebies away. I'm just going to be creating sort of a membership off of my signature files that I sell in my shop currently, and if you're interested in learning more about that, you can of course pop in your email there and it'll be saved so that whenever more information comes out about that and what's included, you will get an email to know more about that. But back to over here where you hover over your profile, you can edit your password if you need to. You can log out if you'd like. And if you click on Edit Profile here, you can edit your name, your last name. You can add that if you want. And then you can, edit your email if for any reason you need to, or edit your password if for any reason you should need to do that. When you're on the Edit Profile section, there are currently 6 avatars to choose from. This is just sort of a little fun thing where you can pick your favorite flower there because we do have a lot of flowers in the vault. So you can sort of pick an avatar flower for your profile. So that's pretty much the rundown of the new Freebie Vault. Super user-friendly, very visually appealing, easy to find what you're looking for, easy to favorite things and come back to them, easy to download files or all files, and easy to find the video tutorials or the blog post and supply list that goes with each of these crafts. I hope you guys are excited as I am about this new Freebie Vault, and I can't wait to see all the projects you'll make and hear your thoughts and feedback. Thanks so much.